Good morning. It's January 27, our fourth day working on the Bugeye Beetle. The shop is quite busy. Lots of customers for car wash. Wait. Okay, lots of customers for car wash. There's another one there. So today I'll go to the machine shop and try to bring the drum brakes for repair, and I'll update you again later. So today is the fourth day of our restoration program. I'll catch you later. Good morning. Heading to the machine shop. Ipapaayos ko yung drum brakes. See if magtatanong tayo kung magkano or kung saan makakamura. Magpagawa ng specialized drum brake or bumili online ng disc brake. So I'll update you later. Bye. So I was not lucky enough to get to the machine shop. I went back. The machine shop in Calamba is no longer there. That's why I took the whole day looking for a good machine shop. Maybe in San Pablo. I'll try my best to get to find a good machine shop. Anyway, not too much work progress today. Just cleaning all the other items such as the drum brakes and aligning the twisted chassis.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. Daunting though, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking.
Making sure that the alignment is perfect in and out. So we're measuring it and using the level bar before we could even start doing patterns to replace the worn out panels. Guys, this would wrap up our day for today, day 4, January 27. We're taking so much time in aligning it because all will be dependent on this alignment before we could even start doing the patterns for the floor panel and everything and the chassis. Right measurement should be always the priority. Okay, we're still on to the alignment of the chassis. We'll be removing this one so it could be repaired. We need to make it aligned and leveled so that when this one is removed for repair, pagbalik namin, doon pa rin sasampa. So kailangan so that we could achieve the perfect alignment from back to front and no twisting. Okay, so it's taking us time, but it's worth it. For restoration, you need to be specifically you need to be detailed in the alignment so that you could achieve the perfect strength of the chassis and the floor panel. Kasi dyan nagdedepende ang strength ng under chassis, yung strength ng mga vital points. So most of them are rusted and deformed, so we need to re-strengthen them and replace all the weakened part, so that we could make it much stronger and reliable. So forming a brace and bracket so that the rest wouldn't move when we remove this one. So that's taking us long. Making a brace and bracket to maintain the alignment and so that we won't get lost in getting it back. Every now and then we're checking the alignment and the balance and the level so that we won't get lost when we get things back in place. Okay, so we're cutting now. Cutting it piece by piece. All bracket and braces are in place, so there would be any unnecessary movement to maintain the alignment and balance of the chassis. Good morning, it's January 28th. Yeah, it's our 5th day today, and we'll see what we can finish today. Just stand by and bear with us, okay? Nice, nice, nice.
Ito,
So itong buong ito ay
ito na siya.
okay.
Ngayon, itong bend na ito,
Yung bend na yan.
separate ito na
Separate.
magpapabrick ito ng yung isa niyan.
Okay. So you have to cut this.
Yes.
Okay. Nice, nice.
So, bend round. So,
Oh, okay.
to side.
Para ayon sa ano. Nice.
Tumbo.
Yep. Okay.
Gagayahin natin ito. Magkakaroon tayo ito. Kung may gusto nyo itong
Yeah. Yung curve din yan.
carb niya.
Kokopihin mo.
Kukupihin na rin yan. Kabilang na yan. Apat na side dito eh. Ngayon, itong ano niya, may bend na ito. Diyan tayo ngayon yung design niya. Diyan na tayo kukunin yung design. Kaya ito tayo may sabahin ito. Para doon tayo sa makatuloy.
Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, just painted the drum brake or the back plate of the drum brake. After cleaning, thoroughly cleaning, I've just painted it with the epoxy primer. Okay, so that ends day 5. I painted. Wait. We've cleaned and painted the back panel of the drum brake, both front, already painted with the epoxy primer, and we've done this as part of the chassis that needs to be replaced, that holds the front end bar. So that's it for today. Day 5 is done. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below for any thoughts and opinion or suggestion. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, guys.